And reigning horse of the year, Rideallday, is the Ante-Post favourite for this Saturday's 6th running of the Diamond Mile at Caymanas Park. The $10 million Grade 1 event is making a return to the local racing calendar after a 6-year absence.
The 13-horse field has 4 fancied runners headed by multi-mile winner Rideallday at 9-5. He's followed by Legacy Isle at 5-2 with 2-time reigning champion jockey Radish Roman, Nautical Star at 7-2 with 6-time former champion jockey Omar Walker, and Phenomenal Power at 9-2 with the mount of inform apprentice Tajay Suku. Philip Vianney's 4-year-old American-bred colt Rideallday will be seeking his 4th consecutive victory. He will take veteran jockey Ian Dolly Baby Spence to post position 13. Spence has never lost a race astride Rideallday, having ridden him to victory in 6 of his 9 career successes. He has worked exceptionally well at exercise, and having broken the 8.5 furlong track record on his seasonal debut on April 6, he's the one they all have to beat. 2-time multi-mile runner-up Legacy Isle should produce another good effort and make the frame, as well as Phenomenal Power and Nautical Star, while 2024 multi-mile winner Funky and Dunn could also get close at the end. The winner of the event will secure automatic qualification for December's multi-mile. The Diamond Mile is listed as the 11th and final event at 6 p.m. First post is 11:25 a.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.